So I'm going to start where I left yesterday. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you were not there yesterday, you can check on the previous videos on my channel, and also you can comment on the application or softwares that you want us to learn. So there are various software, so you can comment there, then I'll know which one I can do after this one. So I'll move and I'll start from where we left yesterday. So we were here. So I've shown you on how to add icons. So I'll just repeat on how you can add icons. So I'm going to create a blank page or an empty page, or yes, so let me insert a blank page where I'll use to show you how to insert icons. So for icon, I'll insert it from online. So make sure that you have internet connection, so you can choose any icon that you want. So for me, I'll choose an icon so I can choose any here, but you can also search. So let me search for audio. So I'll type audio on my keyboard, then I'll click enter so that I can search. So let me wait for an icon of audio. It has this one, so I'll select it and insert it on my document. So if you want to change the color of the graphic, you'll just maneuver here and choose the color that you want, and you can also increase the size or reduce the size. And if you want an outline, so you can put an outline, and also you can control the weight or the size of the outline. And also there are other effects here, so let me choose 3D rotation. Let me choose this one. So you can also convert the shape, convert it to shape. Now it is a shape, not an icon. So I'll delete. So you just click delete. Then I'll move to the next, to smart art. Smart art is where you want to, maybe on your document you want to use any art, any chart to describe your work. So I'm going to choose one. I can choose hierarchy or circle. Then you can click any, maybe I choose this one, and you can type inside. So I'll type mine. Let me type letters, just letters, random letters. You can type inside. You can also convert it to, you can convert it. So let me select the all, and you can convert it to that type, or this one if you want. So let me insert it again and add. So I can, let me choose others, or let me choose this. Okay, let me just use the previous. I don't know, it was this one. So I'll just give it random letters, and you can also change its color. You can also change its design, or that one, any design that you want. You can also add another shape. So that's how you add smart chart on your document. And I'll move to the next. I'll move to how to insert charts. So I'll choose any chart. So I'm going to use, so there are various, there is a bar chart, there is a pie chart, a bar, an area, anyone that you want to have it or use it. So I'm going to pick any. I'm going to choose bar. Then you click OK. Then it brings this one from Excel that you can use it to rename. So I'm going to name mine as I'll use sales for a shop. So I'll just say this one is January sales, Feb, March, and April. And I can also add May, June. You can add as many as you want depending on the record that you have. So, and for this one, I'll choose certain cells that I have. So for this one, I'm assuming I'm a teacher. For the patches, so I'll say this one are books. Then this one is pen, and then this one is seat, and then maybe table, the one which were being purchased. So you can add more. And then for this one, I'm going to change. So those are the items that were purchased on January. And then this one is for Feb. And this one is for March. March. This one is February. This is March. This is April. April and May. And I'll add also June. So I'll go and enter the records that I have. So it's not a must to be out of 10. It can be in percentage form. It can be in thousand, in 100, depending on your record. So I'll just put mine 40, 46, 34, 26, and then I'll add 87, 95, 37, 85, 74, 65, 86, 93, 78, 85. So you can see it has created. Then I'll just close this one because I don't need it anymore. I've finished. But if you want to edit again, or add something or subtract something, you'll just click here, edit data, and then it will bring back this Excel table or this chart, and then you'll edit whatever you want. You can also change on how it looks like, so you can decide to use that one, or even you can change the color that you want, depending on the color for maybe your organization or how you want your work to look like. So there are various, or you can add the quick one, or you can add something else, maybe label inside center or on the axis, any. So this is how you can just change or create a different layout, or how you want your bar to look like. So that is it. So I'm going to delete mine because I've shown you how to create it. So I'll delete. So we're going to do another one, how we can also insert charts together. So I'm going to show you how to insert charts. So we'll also add a pie chart. So I'll select a pie chart and create it. So you can see it has also bring this one from Excel. So I'll just say this is sales. So I can name the name of the school. I can just give any name. So I'll say this school is called Happy. Then I'll say this is the purchase for, I'll say Monday. And then this one is for Tuesday. So I'll write in short form. This one is for Wednesday. This one is for Thursday. And then this one is for Friday. This one is for Saturday. And this one is for Sunday. Then I can create, now I can give my value. I'll give mine in percentage form, 89, then 56, 96, 78, 56, 75, and 48. So you can see it as adjust. So you can give yours depending on your value. You can use the range between 1 to 10, or in percentage form, or in thousand, depending on your record. So I've shown you how to create a chart and also a pie chart, or how to insert any chart that you want. This is a pie chart and the previous one was a bar. So for the other charts, you can also do the same. It's just the same. It's only that the name is different, or how it is placed is different. So you can also change on how it's look like. So you can decide to use that one. You can decide to change also the colors and also the elements if you want to label. So you can decide to label outside, best fit, data call out, inside, center, or none as the previous one. So you can also have a name without a name, or above it, or at the center, and there are also more title here. And at the legend is whereby you can decide the legend where it is placed, either on the right side, on the top, on the left, or bottom. And also there are more options. If you want to edit back your pie chart, you can also click edit, then it will bring back this table. So you can just drag here to increase the size, and also you can move it. You can just drag it here. So if you want to drag, you just hold here and drag it where you want it to be. And also you can reduce the size. Maybe this side you want to reduce it, and so that it can fit here. So that's how you insert any chart of your own. So thank you, and kindly subscribe to the channel, and we'll be having the live classes online. So you can for at this time. So if you want to learn more, you can we can also do the same daily. So you can also comment on the app that you want to learn. And thank you, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.